This display is on running a pre-trip on an S-750i. Choose the menu key, use your arrow keys, go to the pre-trip function, which is down one row in the right-hand column, and select pre-trip. There is only one pre-trip. It is the full pre-trip, and it will always do all the electrical checks, and after that, the unit will start up and do a running check. For the balance of this video, we're going to allow you to see the progress of this pre-trip function. First part of the pre-trip, it checks all the electrical functions. Next, it will perform the running pre-trip, which checks the performance in cool, heat, and defrost. The S-750i has some amperage detection devices for the high voltage circuits as well as the low voltage circuits, and it checks them all with the unit running. Earlier you saw the ETB test. Now you're seeing the unit going through the running mode tests, and it's verifying cooling capacity. And when it's done, it will indicate whether it passed or not. Then you can click the exit button, and the unit will go back to normal cooling.